Today, we have an exciting review for you, the Honor X9B, a smartphone that's creating quite a buzz in India with its unique features and exceptional value proposition. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, let's talk about the incredible breakage warranty offer that Honor.com is providing with the Honor X9B. For just 9 Indian rupees, you can avail of a breakage warranty, which practically means you don't have to pay anything extra upfront. And if your phone breaks within 6 months, you'll get a one-time free screen repair. Now, that's an offer you can't ignore. Moving on to the unboxing experience, the Honor X9B comes in a sleek box with all the essentials neatly packed. You'll find a Type A to Type C cable included, though unfortunately, there's no charger. But worry not, because Honor promises to bundle the charger at no extra cost when you make the purchase. The initial impression of the design is quite positive. The back cover has a premium feel, and the midnight black color variant looks stunning. The device feels slim and lightweight at just 185 grams, despite housing a hefty 5,800 mAh battery. The curved display and back add to the ergonomics, making it comfortable to hold. The Honor X9B boasts a large 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 10-bit color depth. The AMOLED panel offers a maximum brightness of 1200 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. The curved display not only enhances the viewing experience but also contributes to the phone's aesthetics. In terms of cameras, you get a versatile setup, including a 53MP main sensor, an ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 16MP selfie camera. The main camera captures vibrant and detailed shots, while the selfie camera produces attractive results, especially in portrait mode. Under the hood, the Honor X9B is powered by the efficient Snapdragon 7 series processor paired with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 3.0 storage. The performance is snappy, and multitasking is a breeze. It's not a dedicated gaming phone, but it handles casual gaming with ease. On the software front, the device runs on Android 11 with Honor's custom skin on top. The interface is clean and intuitive, with minimal bloatware. You also get features like always-on display and customizable refresh rate settings. Some noteworthy features include support for 5G connectivity across multiple bands, dual physical SIM slots, and haptic feedback for a more immersive experience. The device also comes with IP68 certification for water and dust resistance, adding to its durability. The Honor X9B offers a compelling package with its blend of performance, features, and affordability. The breakage warranty offer, coupled with the device's impressive specifications, makes it a standout choice in its price segment. So, what are your thoughts on the Honor X9B? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Until next time, this is signing off. Thank you for watching.